Hello brothers and sisters, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to identify the whale zones, the area that the institutional are buying from, because the institutional they have zones, they have area, they are not interested here or wherever. Their focus in very specific zones. In today's video, I'm going to go deeply with that using the tool that I'm going to explain. It's called volume profile. Volume profile is simply a tool that it will calculate the volume from point A to a point B that you are choosing from the chart. And this point A to point B, we are not choosing it randomly, like from this to this, and we can select volume. No, we don't do that. We need to identify like orders. We need to identify and massive order flow, pushing higher or pushing lower, it's depend. And then from there you can start using the volume profile. From this, for this example, I'm going to focus from this push until that push stop, and then the market start accumulate. I wanna know in this push where the institutional are buying, where the institutional are buying or were already bought. So what is this can help me in the future? It will give you the zones that these guys they will protect when the price come back, which means as you see here, this is the highest in the value area, which means I don't care about that shielded area. I'm only care where the volume is higher, because this is the low volume area. I don't use it in my analysis. I just forget about this price because it's just overvalue. This is the real value. And then I choose the high volume node area there, the high volume node area there, and then that's one. So when normally the price just skyrockets and then come back to that one, it's just bad because this is manipulation distribution lower. And what I basically like when the market come, I need some kind of given related some kind of opportunity to start buying their resistance or whatever, or support or whatever they call it, and then give them some kind of hopes that market will run higher and then go exactly where that volume is. And then yeah, this is an opportunity to start buying. Okay, this is where institutional starts buying, and then look how aggressively they push the price. It's just 60% from now, and then now 120%. And which area, this is XRP right now, which area we are gonna use right now to see where the market will go? This is very simple. We are not going to drag the volume profile from here to here. No, it will give you like a lot of high volume node and a lot of stupidity. So basically what you are gonna do, this is a push, this is accumulation again. Okay, which means that low create that high, and then we start again creating another range. This is a high of the range. The low of the range, it will be somewhere this or wherever. We don't care about it, but we care about only to drag the volume profile from the low to that high. Okay, and then now what institutional are doing, they are accumulating. Look, it is the same. We are not going to use that high volume node above the where the color is a little bit low, because this is a low volume. For me it's not exist. Anything there is very expensive. That's why the institutional now are protected. Look, every time the price come, push it 20% around of that in Ripple. Okay, in other shitcoin maybe just like it will be 50% or something. So for now, as long as we are here, we can just go a little bit below and come back, it's okay. But as long as we protect that high volume node, we still bullish to $4. So we don't get here. Look how many setups you can avoid losing setups. Some of people they will see this is a breakout and they will start buying. Some of people you will see again this is a fair value gap, they will start buying. And then some people again they will see this is a market structure, lower time frame, they will start buying. People just buying everywhere, but the real buy will happen when we come to the high volume round. This is the power of the volume profile. Like there is no tool in the world can give you this accuracy in the market, because it give you the real stuff. This is where, because logically, if you are in auction, let me just apply the numbers. If you are in auction, look, from here, 5 million, 12 million, 80 million, 70 million, 20 million ripple. From here, for example, we have 30, 30, 40, 40, which mean around of 200 million being traded just from this kind of 5 days, which mean you are talking about $600 million, or even $1 billion. So that guy in just in Binance, in Bybit, wherever, then that guy buy only billion in every exchange, and look how many exchanges in the world. It's probably gonna be different in volume between exchanges, but it doesn't really matter at this moment. But what matter is the numbers don't lie. But when you are using any kind of random indicators, RSI or whatever, it will give you every time here overbought, oversold, and it will trap you. But look, why the algorithm exactly got involved there and push? Why this? Why this? You need to ask questions. And why this? And why not this? And why not this one hold the price? Because it's the algorithm does not notice that is very important level, even if it's supported there 10 times. But it's not important level because this is the value area. We need to come back to the value area. And every time, like if we go now to 4 hour, where the push, we will not drag the volume profile from this to this. We're gonna drag it from this to this. We're gonna find this is a high volume node. Look, the price come and they reject. Until these guys they are not accumulate their position, they will not let you go higher. Look, they come, they push, they drop it 8%. They come, they push, they drop it 4%. Until these guys they quit their positions, sell positions, and then they can let you go higher. Other than that, you cannot go higher, my friend, because this is how the market operates. This is how these guys are working. They are selling and buying in not random place. They know what they are doing. So if you like more of this video, you need to make sure that you subscribe and put the comment that you want me to do the next video about it, or ask me any question in that in description. Yeah, and yeah, this is the thing. And also I'm doing the next video about, especially about the value area. What is the value area in deeply? I'm going to talk about it, and why is this important to know, and how can you use it in the daily scalping, and also in the long time trading, like investment or this kind of stuff. So make sure you subscribe.